Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hack the Academia. Today we are going to learn how to download Ubuntu 20.04, which is the latest version of Ubuntu, and also how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox. So I'll show you the simplest way to install and download Ubuntu 20.04 in VirtualBox. So I'll go to directly Chrome, type Google, type car, type Ubuntu, go to the first website. This is the original website of Ubuntu where you can download Ubuntu ISO file. Click on download, go to Ubuntu desktop, click, and once you click on download it will start downloading it. So since already I have downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So I'll directly jump into the VirtualBox and I'll show you how to download it, how to install it. This is the file where I have already downloaded. I'll show you how this file looks like. This is the file. The size is 2.72 GB. So I'll open VirtualBox. Click on Tools, New. Type the name of machine, Ubuntu 20.04. By default, type is Linux and version is 64 bit. Even if it is not coming, you have to select it manually and continue. Uh, it is asking for 1 GB of memory. Since I have available memory, so I'll specify 2 GB of memory. If you don't have memory, you can keep it 1024 MBs. Yes, I want to create a hard disk. Click on VDI, continue. Keep it dynamically allocated. Whenever your machine will require some additional space, your base machine will automatically assign some free space to this Ubuntu machine, VM machine. Continue. At least you have to specify 10 GB of storage to store all the files in this VM. Now our VM, we have created VM. We have to attach ISO file in this VM to boot it. Click on setting, go to system. So my setting is everything fine, processor okay. Go to storage, click on empty, click on disk icon, click. This is the Ubuntu 20.04 ISO file. It is coming here because I have already tried earlier. So you have to select ISO from the storage, click on disk file. This is the file you have to select. You can select either this. Yeah, so here it has come. Click on OK and start. It is checking the storage file system. So we have two options. One is try Ubuntu, another is install Ubuntu. So the basic difference is whenever suppose you want to check one to the features and for some small period you want to test try out the Ubuntu, you can try Ubuntu without booting it up and installing in this VM. Another is you have to boot it up and all the softwares all the files it will install in your Ubuntu. So whenever you want to reboot it, you want to start it, you can start from where you have left last time. So we will install Ubuntu in this VM. Click on install Ubuntu. So it is asking for keyboard layout. My default language is English, so I have selected English here and continue. And there are two options which we have available. One is normal installation, another is minimal installation. So normal installation will come up with the by default so many softwares, and minimal will have very basic utilities and web browser. So I'll go with the default options. Continue. Yeah, I want to erase the disk. Click on install now. Continue. My location is India. I'll select it and I'll continue. Specify the name of your machine. So I'll give Ubuntu. Username is also Ubuntu. I'll keep the password. Yeah. So it will ask password whenever you boot up your machine. Continue. Now actually installation started. So it will take a lot of time. You have to have some patience to wait it. So you can see summary what is happening behind the hood, under the hood. So multiple files are getting copied in the file system. Ubuntu 20.04 has lot of features as comparison to last version of Ubuntu. Uh, I have felt that this is the best version of Ubuntu. That's why I just wanted to show you how you can install 20.04 Ubuntu in VirtualBox without the requirement of dual boot, because dual boot creates a lot of problem. If you want to use, you can download and install in VirtualBox instead dual boot. So this is the step where it will take a lot of time to install. You can see here for copying files only it is taking a lot of time. And also I have made some videos on Kali Linux, how to install the latest version of Kali Linux in VirtualBox. And also if you want to learn the ethical hacking and the penetration testing, how to compromise the vulnerable machine, how to hack the vulnerable machine. If you want to learn these skills, you can subscribe our channel and you can watch the videos. I'm going to put the links. You can directly go to the videos and you can watch them. And also, if you find any challenge, you can comment in the comment section. I'll definitely reply on all the comments. So guys, once installation completed, you have to restart your machine. So I'll click here restart now. Yeah. So our machine is ready. You can log in. Skip. I'll skip for as of now. Next. No, I don't want to send any system logs. Next. Next. Done. So congratulations guys, we have successfully installed Ubuntu 20.04 in our VirtualBox. So here's the application menu. You can search, you can type anything like I want to open terminal. This is the terminal. Hit enter and it will open. So for this video, uh, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked our video, hit the thumbs up. If you have any query, if you have any question, any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will definitely reply. And if you want to write us, you can write us on hackdayacademy@gmail.com.